Currently, NXLog Platform supports the OpenTelemetry log collection framework. For the collection of this type of logs, we are going to use the OpenTelemetry collector IAM-OTel model. This model accepts HTTPS and HTTP connections and gRPC connections using the OpenTelemetry protocol. It supports traces, logs, and metrics, and can be a drop-in replacement for other receivers. So, how we do this with the NXLog platform? We go to Agents Configurations, add a configuration. On our search bar, we'll type OTel, drag and drop the OpenTelemetry collector box. In this case, I will collect the logs and send them to the NXLog platform. Give it a name. And then assign the configuration to our agent. Then click on the name of the agent and check the statistics. In this case, we are able to see that we are receiving more than 2,000 events from the OpenTelemetry log collection. Another cool feature about NXLog platform is the possibility to see the messages that we receive. So if you go to the log search and expand the content, we are able to check the type of message we're receiving from the OpenTelemetry. Another advantage of NXLog platform is the possibility to send logs with the OpenTelemetry format. For that, we are going to use the OpenTelemetry exporter module OM_OTel. In the same behavior, this model uses the HTTP and HTTPS connections and gRPS, and also supports traces, logs, and metrics. How we do this? Simply go to your configuration. In this case, we're going to select the forward events OpenTelemetry exporter. Do a drag and drop, configure the IP address of the destination, and out of the box, NXLog agent will configure with the OpenTelemetry exporter. The ability to capture logs in any format and transform it into OpenTelemetry is especially relevant for legacy applications or in-house applications, where changing the output log format is non-practical, requires development work that takes too long or is too expensive. This makes NXLog platform the ideal solution to take whatever log format your application already generates and turn it into the OpenTelemetry easily.